Founded in 2021. Sweden. Food tech.
When I was advising Australia's largest grocery retailer at BCG, I learned 3 facts. 1, eating vegetables has 4 times the impact on reversing climate change than electric vehicles. 2, 90% of people want to eat plant-rich foods, but only less than 10% actually do. And 3, in 80% of homes, it's still women that plan and shop food. Meet Lisa. On top of her busy career and taking care of the kids, she spends 2 hours every single day planning, shopping, and cooking food. Changing their eating habits would require even more time from Lisa, which she simply doesn't have. Lisa's time problem has already been solved in fashion industry by social commerce giants called Like to Know, valued at $2 billion. They simply made Instagram fashion posts instantly shoppable. This is interesting because 80% of women like Lisa already start on social media when looking for inspiration of what to cook. Your Beet is an AI-enabled platform that curates influencer plant-rich recipes based on your individual health goals and in seconds pre-fills the grocery basket with our partner retailers and food brands, which is a $3 trillion market. Our platform drives more profitable baskets to the retailers, drastically lowers CAC for the food brands, and creates additional passive income for the influencer, which creates a growth flywheel effect. $120 million is the revenue we generate for every 1 million user by charging a commission from the shopped groceries and brands and charging food brands a commission for sales conversion data. With my commercial background, I teamed up with Jackie, who grew Lifesum user base to 60 million users, and Kakol, who is an expert at algorithmic recommendations. We are already live in Sweden and growing at 30% month over month at almost no CAC. We are working with over 50 influencers who are engaging our user base, which is reflected in our retention metrics. And we kickstarted our revenue generation having partnered with Mathem, and we are ready to replicate the same model in the US, having secured integration with Walmart. This fall, we will open our fundraising round to fuel our international expansion. And we invite you to join our mission to leverage the power of social commerce to accelerate the global transition to the future of food.